Hi, I am Vivek. Welcome to VCG Knowledge Channel. In this video, we will see how many ways we can crop pictures using PowerPoint. As you can see, I have provided these cropped images, 6 cropped images, how we can achieve this. Okay. For this matter, we have to understand what is crop, aspect ratio, fill, fit, crop to shape. I have used all these fit, fill, aspect ratio, crop to achieve this. Right, so let's start. So we will start with example using this image. The moment we click here, it shows crop option. Normally what we do when we click here, we do rectangular crop or square crop. As you can see, it has provided 8 guiders. Guider means up to what limit we want to crop, right? So we can use this guider what we want to achieve or up to what limit we want to crop the image, and we can shift this image, or maybe we can highlight which portion of image we want to crop, right, this way. So this is the use of crop. We go here, we see the option fill and fit. The moment we click here fit, we see the whole image, the original image is now program is trying to fit this in this aspect ratio, right? And when we select the fill option, now we can see it is trying to accommodate the original picture in the given. So what is this? Fill is whatever aspect ratio we have selected or size we have selected, program is trying to accommodate the original picture in the given size. Outside this area, the program will crop. When we are using the fit option, then program is trying to fit the original picture in the aspect ratio, selected aspect ratio, right? So this is the use of fill and fit, and presently it is showing what aspect ratio I have selected. One is it is portrait. So we can see there is a square option, portrait option, landscape. Different aspect ratio have been provided in the PowerPoint. We use different aspect ratio for a different purpose, right? For YouTube, we use a different aspect ratio. Maybe for mobile app or mobile program, we use a different aspect ratio. For different purpose, we use a different. So we can use these options for different purpose. Okay, so these are the use of fill and fit and aspect ratio and crop. Now we will apply how to use crop to shape using fill, fit and aspect ratio. Let's start with the original image. So as you can see, I have cropped this image in this shape. So we have to select this, and I have used or selected 16:9 aspect ratio. Now crop to shape. So we have to find, these are the basic shapes. There are different options are available: rectangles, basic shapes, blocks, arrows, equation shapes, star, banners, callouts, right? So we have to see which shape we want, right? So let's say if I want hexagonal, so here we have a hexagonal, right? So we have selected. Now we can see we can achieve this. If we want to adjust the size, you can see this orange color. So we can play with this. Which size or size of hexagonal we want. So you can see these are equal to size and this is a longer size, right? So we can adjust this way, or we can increase the size or stretch rather. So I am using up to here. Now select, again select. Now if I go to the aspect ratio, now you can see 1:1. So program will giving us an option to shift the image in this window, this crop window, which portion of the image we want to crop. So we can move like this, right? Just select this and move like this. right? So we can select the particular portion. Or if I am using a portrait one, then I can shift like this. If I am using landscape, then I can select 3:2. Then this crop window size will change as per the aspect ratio. Now this time this is 3 and this is 2. In case of portrait, 3:4, this become the 3 and this is 4, right? So this way we can use the aspect ratio and crop to shape. If I want 1:1, and I can increase this size. And we'll try to fit this image, right? Okay, so and we can also push this here. So this is our image we have achieved. So let me reduce the size and I am moving here. Now how we can achieve this heart shape? So go to insert, select this any picture. So I have used this image, insert, select. I am using aspect ratio, let's say 1:1. Now I go to shape, select heart. Now you can see this is not coming, this face is cutting. So what we can do, we have to go to fit. Now we can adjust this, right? And we can adjust the image. So this is the use of fill and fit, right? So use this carefully. And you can also see this image is cutting here, so we have to adjust here and we can reduce the size of here. Now this is perfectly fit. Now we have achieved this as well. So two shapes. Now how we can achieve this shape? So again we have to select what color of this image we want. So let me select this one image. Okay, this time we have to select the 1:1 because it should be a perfect circle one. So aspect ratio should be 1:1. Now go to shape and select this one. So now we can see we have achieved this one as well, right? Very quickly. The next shape is pizza. How we can achieve this? So go to picture, select pizza. So pizza is here. Select this, go to crop, select where is this sign. This is equation shape. Go to here. We can crop this easily. Now this is also done. How we can achieve this? Go to the next picture, insert device. Let me select this as well for this purpose. Go to, if we want this 1:1, this is a different one, this is a different aspect ratio, this is for the landscape, and we want 1:1, then we have to select the aspect ratio first and then we have to select the image or shape rather. So where is this shape? We have to identify. You can select this one, call out. So now you can see here we have, now you can see there are some dots. Okay, so play around with this and you can see what is happening here. Okay, we can achieve different type of shapes. This becomes rectangular, and this is also, this is a rectangle size inner square. We can increase or decrease. This is triangle matching, and this is again reduce this base of the sides of triangle, right? And we can reduce the size of this. Now we will go with the new image. This is the image. Select this original image and go to crop, select the shapes. This is the shape. Okay, we can reduce the size of it and what angle should be, so we can use this for purpose. We can use these different shapes for our YouTube channel. We are using different shapes. We can select our video pictures, take image, crop this way, and it will give a very good look, right? So this way, using crop, aspect ratio, fill fit option and crop to shapes, we can achieve or we can get lot more interesting pictures. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you will like this video information. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Thank you very much.